Hi everybody, welcome to Autopro. Please read the instructions carefully before applying our film. This video provides a detailed instruction on how to apply our rainproof film onto your helmet visor. Now our package consists of a rainproof film and a screen protection accessory kit. Before applying, make sure that you have the right side. Try it on your helmet, visor, and make sure that it's a proper fit. Make sure how you want to place it right also. Now inside our screen protection accessory kit, you'll find the guidance sticker and a cloth to wipe your helmet clean. There we go. You have a guidance sticker and the cloth to wipe your helmet clean. Now make sure that you properly wipe the visor because any dust particles or smudges will be there permanently. So you want to make sure that it's cleaned properly. So once you've cleaned it properly, you can move on to the next step. So take the guidance sticker, take the the visor film, Take the film, make sure that you peel off the correct layer. You're supposed to peel off layer number 2. So position it correctly, accordingly. Make sure that you do it properly because once you've attached the film onto your visor, you can't readjust it. It's going to be useless after that. So you get your guidance sticker. Again, I repeat, if you are not confident about doing it yourself, get someone professional to do it for you. That would be better. So now you have your guidance sticker on. Carefully place it onto your helmet. Carefully place it onto your helmet visor. And once you think that you have the proper adjustment, you can go ahead and stick that. It's an easy process, but if you mess up, then that's it. Alright, now that you have it properly stuck on with the guidance sticker, make sure that it's the right fit for you. Make sure it's stuck on properly. Now carefully, very carefully, remove layer number 2, the bottom layer that is. Carefully remove that. And gently press it onto the visor. You have to start from the middle. It's better. Carefully place it. Very carefully. Make sure it's all right. Now start from the middle and move out towards the sides. That's it. It's that simple. That's all you have to do. Start from the center and move to the sides. There we go. Once you make sure that it's stuck on properly, you can remove the guidance sticker. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. You can remove the guidance sticker and slowly remove layer number 1, that is the top layer. That's it, you're done. Your helmet visor is now rainproof. There we go. Thank you for choosing Autopro. Safe riding.